If robot vacuums make you nervous because of stairs, this eufy Omni Robot vacuum and mop has a feature I really like. One thing that immediately stood out to me was the edge detection. It moves right up near edges and then redirects itself instead of continuing forward, which gives a little extra peace of mind if you have stairs or different levels in your home. I also really like the slim design because it can fit underneath furniture where dust and random little things always seem to collect. Under couches, beds, entertainment centers, those are usually the spots that can be easy to ignore because getting underneath them isn't exactly fun. Another thing I appreciate is that this isn't just a robot vacuum. It also mops, and it comes with the Omni station setup that automatically washes the mop pads. That's one of those features you don't fully think about at first, but then you realize it removes an extra step from your routine. Something else that stood out to me is how simple the maintenance feels. The different components are easy to access, and the brush sections, dust collection areas, and other removable parts come apart without feeling overly complicated. I always think that matters because if something is difficult to clean or maintain, eventually people stop wanting to use it. I also like the app control because it gives you another way to manage everything without needing to constantly interact with the unit itself. Overall, what I like about this is that it feels designed around convenience between the slim profile, automatic features, easy maintenance, and thoughtful details like edge detection. It feels like something built to fit into everyday life and make cleaning feel a little more hands-off.